Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, sasagutin po natin ang queries ng isa sa aking mga subscribers. So this time, let's talk about cellphone and computer. Shoutout nga pala kay Mr. Glenn Bangkot ng Davao City. Isa po siya sa mga avid customer at subscriber ng DJ Rick's channel. So sasagutin natin ang query niya regarding kung pwede bang maging monitor ang cellphone niya ng computer sa bahay. At kung pwede daw ba niya makontrol ang computer kahit malayo siya. Kaya simulan na po natin ang step by step kung paano. Kaya kung handa na kayo, let's go!
Step 1. Download Chrome Remote Desktop apps. Step 2. Install the downloaded apps. Step 3. Install Chrome Remote Desktop in your cell phone. Step 4. Run the apps on your computer. Step 5. Get the access code in the computer. Step 6. Run the Chrome Remote Desktop apps in your phone to be used as a remote controller or monitor. Enter the access code in your mobile phone to be used as a controller or second monitor. Step 7. Once successful connected, use the phone as second monitor or the remote to wirelessly control the computer. Thanks for watching at DJ Rick's Cellphone and Computer Repair Shop. Please click the like and subscribe button. DJ Rick's Cellphone and Computer Repair Shop, extending gadgets life.